Akio Toyoda, chairman, former CEO and president of Toyota, he, of course, is pretty busy all the time, but especially during the auto show times, like Japan Mobility Show. I saw him when I was there. And then now he just did this spot for the Tokyo Auto Salon. And this is a video, and I'm going to put in the description if you guys want to see the whole thing. I highly recommend watching the whole thing. But it's him talking about how he likes driving small cars. Fuji Speedway is special to him, and it's a way for him to escape his daily reality as a chairman and just drive. And get away from all the craziness in his life. And this vehicle, the Morizo RR Lexus LBX, is tailor-suited for him. You know, the LBX is one of the more exciting new vehicles Lexus has come out with, but I don't get overly excited because it is not available in the United States. Well, I'm getting overexcited now. And why am I getting overexcited? This thing is incredible looking, and it will be incredible performing. But notice I said will, but in this portion right here, he's going into the pits, right? He's just shooting the breeze with people he knows out on the side of the track. And he's like, well, thanks for being a championship driver to one guy. Another guy's like, hey, this is the LBX. It's coming this year. And he's like, hey, this special edition is coming next year. So by the end of 2024, this Morizo edition, which I'm going to call the LBX F, is coming to the market. So we're going to get into the details of this incredible Lexus LBX, the next step for Lexus F, and the possibility of it coming to us stateside. Now, luckily for us, this was on the stage next to Akio Toyoda during his press conference, which he didn't talk a whole lot about anything in his press conference other than as long as he is involved in the automotive scene in Japan, he's going to be doing his best to save internal combustion engines in the era of electric vehicles. So he's committed to that personally and as a chairman. But luckily, so if we look here, it says underlying items indicate items detailed in the press release. Here we go. The LBX Morizo RR has its own write-up, and I'm going to go ahead and read this for you guys while you guys can watch that B-row of Akio Toyoda driving around Fuji Speedway in the LBX F, which they call the RR Morizo concept. So it's based on the new LBX, obviously, a segment-defying compact vehicle that redefined the conventional notion of luxury cars when it went on sale in November 2023. Like I said, not on sale in North America. It is equipped with a Lexus first 1.6-liter inline 3-cylinder engine with intercooler and turbo, the G16E GTS, and is a concept model with further honed basic vehicle elements that enable the driver to interact with the car and pursue driving fun. Working with Chairman Akio Toyoda, otherwise likely known as Morizo, and Master Driver, the aim was to retain the high-quality driving performance and sophisticated design that is unique to Lexus, while creating a high-performance model that would allow the driver to enjoy interacting with the car, smile spontaneously, and experience a sense of extraordinary exhilaration. Its turbocharged engine and full-time all-wheel drive deliver heart-thumping, torque-filled power that can be fully brought to the fore thanks to a wide-ranging exclusive developments that covered the vehicle's packaging, body, suspension, tires, all-wheel drive control, and direct shift 8-speed automatic transmission. Also using technology cultivated through air racing, the bumpers were shaped to achieve a high level of aerodynamic performance and styling that evokes the essence of pure driving performance. In keeping with the theme of Toyota Gazoo Racing and Lexus Exhibit, the LBX Morizo RR concept underwent customization unique to Morizo's beloved car by way of applying Morizo's signature color of yellow to the plated molding of the front unified spindle grille. Brake calipers and seatbelts are yellow, resulting in a car that embodies casual luxury that Morizo himself could enjoy on the weekends as a trusted partner, like his favorite pair of comfortable, well-worn sneakers. We also have additional specifications here. I mean, it's essentially the GR Corolla tune and the enhanced GR Yaris tune, to my understanding. If you look at the dimensions, it's similar to the Yaris Cross, something also we don't get in America. But this is the vehicle that I think should be in North America. We should have it instead of the UX. The UX might be slightly bigger, but I don't think the packaging is better. I don't know how much more interior space, if any, you would have in the UX compared to the LBX. Will it come to America? I don't know. The fact that the Lexus is launching this, and Akio Toyoda said it himself, and him being so vocal about it, makes me get my heart and hopes up for the LBX to come to North America in some shape or form. If it's only as an F car, so be it. I'd love for the whole lineup to come with, the very fuel efficient 1.5 liter 3-cylinder hybrid that gets like 60, 70 miles per gallon or whatnot on the Yaris Cross. We also remember, guys, if you remember not that long ago, I mean, these rumors have been circulating for a long time and now they're coming to fruition. Best Cars Magazine, I don't know, in the summer, because we didn't even have the full design on the TX at that point in time. So the LBX has been teased since late 2021. It is the first 3-letter Lexus car since the LFA. Will be the next 3-letter Lexus car will more than likely be the LFR. So let's rotate this guy, and this is the supposed LBX F. And yes, they had a bunch of information on it, but now we have official information, and it's going to be using the all-wheel drive system that we have in the GR Yaris and GR Corolla. Dimensions wise, this is maybe a little bit taller than a GR Corolla, but maybe a little bit more compact end to end, and maybe not quite as wide as a GR Corolla as well. The interior, though, is where GR Corolla really falls short, and the interior of an LBX is pretty stunning. You can see the images here. You can see how clean this interior is. Very minimal. Now, of course, most people would rather have functional buttons here for climate control, but it just looks really nice, really clean. You still have a shifter here. I'm in a almost $200,000 GLS 600 Maybach this week, and the shifter is this tiny little stalk on the steering wheel. I accidentally hit it once as the windshield wiper stock, because that's where windshield wipers are in most cars, and it popped it into neutral while I was driving. So anyways, that was a rant. I'm just happy that we have some sort of drive shift, even though it's this tiny nub down here, it still works. And yes, the LBX, bring it to America, Lexus, bring the LBX F to America. And I have nothing else to say about it other than I want it really badly. This Morizo vehicle with this yellow stripe in the front, the yellow calipers, the yellow seatbelts, kind of like a Polestar tuned car. If you've seen my other reviews on either Polestar or the V60 Polestar tuned. So anyways, I want this car so bad. But like I said, don't want to get my hopes up. If you want to see the LBX in any shape or form come to America, hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe, because if I hear anything about the LBX or this Morizo RR concept coming as an F model, I'll update it on the channel. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And if there's any good nuggets that I find interesting coming out of the Japan Mobility Show, I'll post it on the channel for you guys as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.